In this video, we are going to cover the concept of location codes and wells in ESDAT. We will explore why they are important and how to add location codes into ESDAT, individually or in bulk. The location code is a monitoring point associated with a site and potentially a monitoring zone. A site is an address, operation, or area that is being investigated. A monitoring zone is a subsection of a site, such as an area of contamination that can be used to group locations together. A location code is a unique identifier for a point on a site. Assigning data to location codes allows you to sort, filter, and generate time series graphs or maps for specific locations. Each location code must be unique for a site. For example, you can only have one location named BH01 on each site. Data that is associated with locations include field data and photographs, laboratory chemistry results, water levels, borehole data, and geology. A well, or piezometer, is a pipe inserted into the ground to measure depths and chemistry of groundwater, generally through a screened interval. All water level data requires a well code, and chemistry samples have the option of being associated with a well code. Where multi-level piezometers are used, a typical well code may be a sequence, such as A, B, C, D, or deep and shallow. Where only a single piezometer is installed, the well code isn't usually relevant. From here, it is recommended that a dash is used. It is still necessary to enter a dash or another character into the chemistry samples table in order to match the data to the well. If you are not consistent in how you identify wells, it will impact how data is shown on graphs and other outputs. Location codes can be added to ESDAT either individually or in bulk. A bulk upload is recommended if you have many locations which are already established. Individual locations can be added in various places in ESDAT, including the locations menu, field app, or when reviewing laboratory samples. Irrespective of how you create a location in ESDAT, you should add some details associated with the location. You will need to specify the project and site as these are required. When creating a location on a site, you should indicate the project in which the location was first created, even if it is subsequently used by other projects at the same site. You should also enter other information, which can help with grouping or filtering locations, such as monitoring zone, location type, and purpose. You should also include the coordinates so the location can be displayed on a map. If you have any wells or piezometers associated with the location, you should enter this information, including the screened interval and the aquifer, or monitoring unit that it is monitoring. This will help with filtering data and outputs. If you already have your location and well information, or you wish to upload many records at once, you can use the bulk import function. This is found under data migration. If you are importing locations, select New Import from the menu, and then select the Locations field. The Location Import page will open up. Select the project you wish to import your location codes to from the drop-down. You can only import data into one project at a time. You can type or paste directly into the page, or you can create an Excel upload template by selecting the Excel template from the Save Import menu. Open the template file and paste your location information into the relevant columns. The location code field is compulsory. Fill in as many of the other fields as you can. Note that the site column can be filled in from a drop-down later. Once your Excel template is filled in and ready for uploading, navigate back to the New Import page and select Populated Excel Import Template from the Files menu. The data from your populated Excel template will be opened in the Import window. You can fill in any additional data. Once all data is filled in, click on Validate to check for any errors. If the data is able to be uploaded, a green tick will appear against the row. Errors will be identified with a red exclamation mark. Hover over the exclamation mark at the start of the row for more information about the error and how to resolve it. Once all errors are resolved, click on Import to complete the data import. Successfully imported records are shown in green. After having reviewed this video, you should understand the concept of locations and wells in ESDAT, why it is important to use these correctly to get the most out of your data, and how to import locations and wells into ESDAT.